This video will show you how you can embed content from around the internet into your D2L course. So one of the things to note is that every time you can create text in a D2L course, you're presented with the same text options. So for example, if I was going to create a new news item, I'm presented with this text box and this toolbar up here. Now the important function I want to focus on right here is this little button called Insert Stuff. And when I go to it, you see there's a variety of things that I can insert from around the web. So if I was, to example, looking for a YouTube video, then I could type in here and do a little search and it would pull it up. But a lot of stuff is actually embeddable, but you need to have the embed code. So here's what we need is this section over here where it's giving you a space to enter in a special code that you would get from the additional website. So let's say that I was on this video. So obviously if I was going to insert a YouTube video, the easiest way would be just to search it here. But YouTube does also offer the option of grabbing an embed code, and I just want to show you that here. So when I click on share, in addition to the link, I have this option for embed, and this is giving me a code along here. All I really need is to copy this, come back over here, and in this section here, I'm going to paste that in place. And when I click next, it's showing me this is the video that's going to happen, and I'm going to insert it. Okay, so then it becomes part of my news item, and when I post it, then on the course homepage, that's obviously going to display right inside the news feed. Now, in addition to that, anywhere you post, you can post text, you have that same toolbar. So let's say that in my content library, maybe one of the things that I wanted to do is to create a new file. And again, you're presented with that same toolbar. So in this case, instead, I wanted to have maybe a Padlet from the web. So if I was to go over here to my Padlet, let's say that I wanted this, rather than my kids having to be linked off to a separate website, I simply just wanted this built right into my D2L course. So from Padlet, you have this option to share, and I can grab an embed code. Let's copy that here, jump back to the course, insert stuff, paste the embed code into place, and click next. In this case, I'm going to allow it to show it's needed, and I click insert. And then when I publish this, that's okay. When I publish this, you can see that this Padlet file, now the students can actually interact as if they were on Padlet.com, but it happens right inside my D2L course, so they're not having to link off anywhere. Now, there are lots of sites from around the web that allow you to do embedding. A Twitter feed is possible, even using things like Prezi. So an embed code, being able to find that on a website and use it in D2L is very useful, because pretty much anywhere within the environment you could add this sort of rich content to make your course come to life.